all due respect,
When I was 16,
you got no idea what it's like to be number one.
And you didn't learn your limitations.
Now
I have no limitations.
I am cold, I am emotionless, I am peace, ready for war.
You clearly don't know who you're talking to, so let me clue you in. I am not in danger, Skylar. I am the danger. A guy opens his door and gets shot, and you think that of me? No. I am the one who knocks.
You will find the strength to do what needs to be done.
Kill the boy.
And let the man be born.
Let me be very clear. I'll never give up. Never.
I've ridiculed everyone on the bottom of my heart. I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody. The double champ does what the he wants.
When you're running, you run for hours.
Days.
What? Days.
This is where we hold them. This is where we fight. This is where they die.
Joe, in 16 hours' time, this man is gonna learn that if you disrespect a person's kindness and take it as a weakness, you must pay. Tomorrow night, I'm gonna make this man pay with his life, and I mean it. You're dead in that octagon tomorrow night.
Antonio Montana. And you? What you call yourself?
My name is Thomas Shelby, and today I'm gonna kill a man.
Sometimes I look in the mirror and get little frights as well looking at myself, because I am an absolute animal, a machine. So I probably wouldn't want to fight me either.
The only way out for me at that time was death.
Wow.
I'm going to be a Navy SEAL, or I'm going to die trying. And my body said, Roger that.
Hey, so what now? Say something! So what now? I'm most dangerous guy here. I got it coming for everyone. I kill everybody. Allah Akbar. Nobody can stop me. If I die in the cage. I didn't come here and make my way, I died in my bed. I can't die in the cage. I died in the cage. I never leave that cage. Now it's my home.
Can't touch me, you're not man enough. I eat your asshole alive, you hoe. Come and say my face, ass for everybody. Come on, you scared coward. You not man enough. You can't last 2 minutes in my world. Look at you scared now, you hoe. Scared like a little white, scared of the real man.
Never give up. Never in your life give up. Keep driving through the goddamn pain. Muscle through the pain. Muscle through the goddamn pain.
When I say I am God, you think I'm joking or not?
You tell me.
I'm not joking. When I come on the field, I feel like that.
You feel like God.
I feel like God when I'm on the field.
An omnipotent.
I feel untouchable, and I feel I will smash everyone that comes in my way.
I built this shit. Me. Brick by brick. And I'll be damned if I let you tear it down just because you don't like the way another nigga talk.
He's the biggest man I've ever seen. I wouldn't want to fight him.
That's why no one will remember your name.
Send me a message, like location, I'm gonna come. Whatever you want, doesn't matter. Ireland, New York, Brooklyn or Moscow, doesn't matter. Tell me, where?
Accept the pain. Smile at the pain. Embrace the pain. Smoke. Pain is the gatekeeper of destiny. Pain is there to ask you one simple question. Do you really want to achieve your goals? Or are you just a talker? Can your pain wherever you want to go? Pain will build a stairway to the top. This is Christ.
Hey, first of all, I want to say Alhamdulillah, God gave me everything. Alhamdulillah. I know you got this, don't say this. Alhamdulillah. Tomorrow night, I'm gonna smash your boy, guys. I'm gonna smash your boy.
All I have in this world is my balls and my word. And I don't break them for no one. Do you understand?
If one of us goes to war, we all go to...
You can act like a man. What's the matter with you?
I try to fix it,
did everything. I showed them compassion. I showed them mercy. I walked away. I was the bigger man. And look where the fuck it got me.
At practice, when I'm training or during games, I switch my mind to something else. I switch my mode into something else, right? For me, it's the equivalent of Maximus Decimus Meridius in Gladiator picking up the dirt, smelling the dirt. It's go time.
Weißt du nicht, dass du Organ? Ich kann nicht getrieben sein! Weißt du nicht, dass du Organ? Ich kann mal über der Bolas! Ich kann mal über der Bolas! Du kannst nicht getrieben sein!
Top 10, 9th place, 8th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 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 1st.
Sign the contract, big boy. Sign the contract.
That's an easy choice for us, Arcadian. Spartans never retreat. Spartans never surrender.
7, 8, 9, 10. A machine here. There you go. Nobody works like David in this house. 13. Come on. 14. Come on. 15. Shut that muscle down. 16. Come on. Get it. 17.
You don't know me, son.
Get it. 18.
You don't know me, son.
Get it. 19.
You don't know me, son.
Yeah. 20. You got some more. Yeah. 21. Yeah. Get it again. Come on. We want to see it. Good. 22.
Who's gonna carry the boats and the logs?
That's you, buddy. Come on. 23. Come on. 24. One more, David.
Who's
one more?
Carry the boats.
You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. You did it. Yeah.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
When you're in that cage, you are that character. And then when you leave there, it's something completely different. But when I'm in that cage, bro, don't fucking touch me. Don't talk to me.
I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me. Lynx is a conqueror. No, I'm Alexander. He's no Alexander. I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody as ruthless. I'm Sonny Liston. I'm Jack Dempsey. There's no one like me. I'm from Nairclaw. There's no one that can match me. My style is impetuous. My defense is impregnable. And I'm just ferocious. I want your heart. I want to eat his children. Praise be to Allah.
Lose! I don't lose! I win! I win! That's my job! That's what I do!
I'd rather die. I would rather die than be that loser guy. Think about that. Do you want to walk out that door a damn loser, or do you want to walk out the door a winner? You know, I'll fight to the death.
I own this town. I own Rio de Janeiro. So for him to say he is the king and I am the Joker, if this was a different time, I would invade his favela on horseback and kill anyone that was not fit to whoop. But we are in a new time, so I'll whoop his ass in July.
Yeah, Conor McGregor, you're taking everything I work for, motherfucker. I'm gonna fight your fucking ass. You know what's the real fight? What's the real money fight? Is me, not these clowns that you already punked at the press conference. Don't no one want to see that. You know you beat them already. That's an easy fight. You want that real shit right here. Hey, and I'm not. Unfortunately, we can't talk like that on Fox.
Damn, Ron, come on! What's the matter with you? There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow.
Listen, stop feeling sorry for yourself. Well, come on then. What's wrong with you? You're too now. You gotta pull the out of the fire. Come on, Leon, man. You got it, man. Come on.
Life is this. I like this.
Up.